is MedWatch Technologies. MedWatch Technologies is a medical device manufacturer that is developing a non-invasive continuous glucose monitoring device that is accompanied by a healthcare SaaS platform. Their mission is to make life better for people suffering from diabetes and other blood sugar issues, making blood glucose monitoring easier, cheaper, and far less painful. Please welcome CEO Mike Moore.
Hello, everybody. Thank you for the introduction. I'm sure many of you are aware diabetes is a global pandemic, but let's put a little perspective to it. If you thought COVID-19 was bad with nearly 6 million deaths over the last 2 years, it doesn't compare with diabetes. Diabetes kills one person every 5 seconds, which equates to almost 7 million people in 2021 alone. Think about that. Diabetes is more lethal than COVID. And during my short talk, which is 4 minutes, nearly 50 people will die. Monitoring diabetes is painful, inconvenient, expensive. Imagine having to prick your finger 4 times a day or more to collect a blood sample. Imagine the inconvenience of wearing one of those patches you see people wear and catching it on something. It too can be painful, inconvenient, intrusive. It leads to poor compliance and significant health consequences. It's been stated there's got to be a better way. Now, if you're like me, you'll know we've got a better way. We have a watch that will provide non-invasive, continuous glucose monitoring. No more finger sticks, no more patches. It's as easy as wearing a watch because it is a watch. Our healthcare SaaS platform will monitor your glucose level every 5 minutes. That's 288 times a day. And we'll provide that information to you or the healthcare provider of your choice. You control all the data. 9% of the world's population has diabetes. That's 537 million adults. Think about that. 500 million people has diabetes. MedWatch will improve the lives of millions of people. And I think that's a worthwhile investment. There are other solutions to monitoring diabetes, such as the finger stick, the interstitial devices, the MedWatch Freestyle Libre, as I mentioned, but they're painful, expensive, and very inconvenient. We will be the first watch with FDA certification for monitoring non-invasive continuous glucose monitoring. We expect FDA approval in approximately 14 months. We have multiple patents pending, and so far, we're getting ready for our clinical trials, but we've already gathered more than 3 million data points, very significant. Our management team has very deep experience in medicine, artificial intelligence, machine learning software. The team has previously completed FDA clinical trials on medical devices and many publications. Collectively, we have 10 exits, 26 acquisitions, 8 spinoffs, and raised $3 to $4 billion. We have a very simple revenue model. We will generate revenue from our watch sales and our healthcare SaaS platform. We conservatively expect revenue approaching $700 million in 5 years with over $300 million in EBITDA. We're seeking $3 million in seed funding for research development, operational overhead, and gaining FDA approval. Here's our contact details. I look forward to seeing everybody in the breakout room. Thank you for your time and attention.